Let's apply some basic formatting to our table to make it more visually appealing. First, we'll select the entire first row or just the area where we have data. Go to the Alignment group and choose the Center option to center align the text. Next, from the Font group, select Bold to make the font bold. Now, let's apply a background color to the cells. After doing this, if the text isn't visible due to the background color, select Font Color and choose white to ensure readability. This completes the formatting of our header. To adjust the width of the Serial No column, simply double-click between column A and B, and Excel will automatically adjust the width to fit the content. Then, center align the values in the Serial No column using the alignment options as we did before. Here's a helpful tip: if a row's height is too large, causing text to appear at the bottom, you can align it to the top by selecting the row and choosing the Top option from the alignment settings. This is particularly useful when working with extensive data sets. Now, let's adjust the width of the Name column by dragging its boundary to the desired size. Additionally, if you want the Serial No values to appear bold, simply select those cells and apply the bold formatting. To center align the names in their cells, go to the alignment settings and choose Center. For consistent formatting across other columns, you can use the Format Painter tool located in the Clipboard group at the top. Click on an area with the desired format, then click on Format Painter, and apply the format to other areas as needed. Repeat this process to ensure all columns have a uniform appearance. This method ensures our table is not only organized but also visually clear and professional.